Hello everyone! In this fifth episode of a 9-part series dedicated to atmospheric perspective in compositing in Blender 4.1, we will implement the shift towards blue or other colors of distant objects in the scene. Before we go on, I remind you that, as it happens with most of my tutorials, the text versions of the video tutorials of this series are available for free download at the link provided in the description. The shifting towards blue or any other color can be done using the output incoming from the normalize node as a mask. In this case, this information will be sent to the factory input of an RGB curves node that will act on the original image. We then connect the output of the blur node to the image input of an RGB curves node, and then we connect the output of normalize to the factory input of RGB curves. Finally, we connect the output of the new RGB curves node to the reroute node. We won't notice any difference in the rendering yet, since we haven't modified the curves of the node. In this RGB node, we'll need to modify the curve of the color we are interested in, which, in this case, is the blue channel. You can assess the extent of the effect by selecting the RGB curves node and pressing the M key multiple times, which is the shortcut for mute, to deactivate and activate again the node. Don't worry if you see that the color of the sky changes a lot. We'll fix it in the last video of the series. To distinguish this RGB curves node from other nodes of the same type, we can rename it to Blue Shift in the Label section of the Node panel, which we can open by pressing the N key. That's all for this episode. In the next one, we'll see how to desaturate the elements farther away in our scene. See you soon!